Hello, and welcome to FitCrypto. Now today's episode is going to be slightly different than our Slick ICO series. Today, we'll be covering cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and ICOs. This is more like Cryptocurrency 101. Now before we begin, please note that we are not financial advisors and this is not a financial advice. Any money that you do invest in cryptocurrencies could be lost. Cryptocurrencies and ICOs are risky business, therefore please do your own research before getting into it. Now we've been talking to our friends, colleagues and relatives about cryptocurrencies and altcoins and ICOs to see if they'll be interested. A majority of people, when they hear the word cryptocurrency, they think of the word Bitcoin. And often the reply is that the price of the Bitcoin is so high that the Bitcoin train is gone and they can't really invest in Bitcoin and therefore there's no point in looking into cryptocurrencies. No, people, Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency. Sure, the Bitcoin train is gone, but there are loads of other trains still to come. To start off, let's look at cryptocurrencies. What is a cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital cash, or electronic money if you will. It's peer-to-peer, so you can transfer your cryptocurrency from your phone or your computer to someone else in another part of the world with just the click of a button. Without a centralized body like the US Federal Reserve or the Bank of England having control of those funds or controlling the supply and demand of that particular cryptocurrency. And that's one of the beauty of cryptocurrencies, the decentralization. And we don't want to get too technical over here. So if the quick explanation just provided on the cryptocurrency is something that appeals to you, we suggest that you do your own research and study on blockchain, distributed ledger technology, and decentralization. Now moving on to altcoins. What are altcoins? Now we know that Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. Any currency that came to the market after Bitcoin is called an altcoin or alternative coin. For example, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, Stellar, IOTA, and so on. So to give you an idea into altcoins, we'd look at CoinMarketCap. This website lists majority of coins that are out in the market, if not all. If we go up to the top here, we can see that at the moment there are around 1,429 coins listed on the CoinMarketCap. And the total value of these cryptocurrencies in US dollar terms is around $713 billion. And we've seen the market cap of cryptocurrencies just going up. So if we quickly scroll down to the bottom of this page, we can see what the last coin is. Okay, so now we know there are a lot more coins out there than just Bitcoin. But you ask us, how much money are we talking about? Is there any real potential in these altcoins? Sure, let's have a look at one of our examples and do a quick analysis. The price of the Bitcoin is high, sure, we can't really invest in it. Okay, Ethereum is also high for our budget. Ripple, I'm not too big a fan of Ripple, so we'll go down. We'll go to the number 5, Cardano, and look at that. If we click on Cardano, this is where the page should take us. You can see the market cap, circulating supply, total supply, and maximum supply. The coin is called Cardano and their ticker is ADA. If we scroll down a bit, we can see that this is the all-time price chart for the Cardano coin. If we go back a little less than 2 months to the end of November, we can see that the price of one coin of Cardano was just under 3 cents. So say for example on 25th November, if you were to invest $1,000 or $10,000 into Cardano, how many coins would you be getting back on 25th November. The price was 0.0248 and 248. So the coins that we were getting for $1,000 investment back in November would have been 40,000 coins. And if we had invested $10,000 into Cardano as at 25th November, then we would have gotten 403 coins, which was less than 2 months ago. Now let's pop over to CoinMarketCap and check out today's price for Cardano. Here we go. The price of one coin for Cardano is 0.789 cents. Let's go and plug that in. So plugging in 0.78. Look at that. Can you see? So if we had invested $1,000 back on 25th November, the value of that investment would have been $31,000 today. And if we had invested $10,000 into Cardano on 25th November, the value of that investment would have been $314,000. Look at the return of investment. The opportunity in cryptocurrency is just amazing. And that's the beauty of cryptocurrencies. Of course, there's a downside. You could lose all your money. Where else can we get this type of return on investment? Having said that, let me just remind you that we're not financial advisors and this is not a financial advice. And you're requested to kindly do your own research before investing into any type of altcoin or cryptocurrency. Obviously, cryptocurrency is high risk, high return environment. Now moving on, the last thing that we want to discuss in this video is ICOs. What are ICOs? ICOs are short for Initial Coin Offering, and they are akin to Initial Public Offering, with some advantages and disadvantages. Just like cryptocurrency, ICOs are high risk, high return investments. However, you gotta be cautious in investing in ICO these days, as there are plenty of ICO scams out there, and you are requested to do your own research. Any money that you do invest into ICOs could be lost overnight. ICOs are where companies try to raise funds for a technology, service, or a product based on the distributed ledger technology and blockchain. The company offers coins or tokens in return for your investment in those ICOs. Unlike IPOs, in ICOs, the token holders or coin holders don't own a share in the company. You are requested to do your own research. If the explanation provided here for ICOs has caught your attention, then we do suggest that you study this topic in great detail and study it thoroughly. Perform as much research as you can, and then see if ICOs is something that you would be really interested in investing. Now let's look at two examples of ICOs that were conducted recently. The two ICOs that we want to have a look at are Icon and Wabi. The Icon ICO finished on 20th September 2017. Now again, we don't want to get technical on the pre-sale and the crowd sale, and therefore you are requested to do your own research. The number that we want for this video is 11 cents. That's the price that anyone investing in the crowd sale would have gotten if they wanted to invest in Icon. So if we had invested $1,000 back in September in Icon ICO, we would have gotten 9,000 coins. And had we invested $10,000 into the Icon ICO, we would have gotten around 90,000 tokens. Now let's go over to CoinMarketCap and check out the price for Icon today. If you go here and search for ICX, that's the ticker, or Icon, the price of one Icon is $9.71. Let's plug that in there. Look at that. So if we had invested $1,000 into the Icon ICO back in September, the value of that investment would have been $88,000. And had we invested $10,000, the value of that investment would have been $882,727. So that's nearly $1 million. This is just unbelievable. Look at the potential and look at the return of investment in these ICOs. Now similarly, Wabi was priced at 24 cents back in the ICO. Let's quickly look at Wabi's price today. It's $3.65. Plugging it in here. Okay, sure. It's not as much as Icon, but still, getting $15,000 by only investing $1,000? You know what I'm trying to get at. The opportunity available in ICOs is just immense. Okay, so obviously everything is easy in hindsight. And this is where your research comes in for any future projects. There are a number of projects or ICOs that happened last year in 2017, didn't provide enough return, or even failed. But that's part of the ICO game. We follow people like Ian Bellina, Superman, Ohe Mati, and Charles from CoinBlock, who analyze upcoming ICOs in great detail. And there are various other people. Go check out their channels, do your own research. For upcoming ICOs, our favorite is Charles from CoinBlock. We believe his analysis is unbiased and he looks at every ICO critically, which is the way it should be. But of course, that's just our opinion. Others are also doing a fantastic job for the crypto community. So there you go, folks. That was just a quick intro into cryptocurrencies, altcoins, ICOs, and examples of few projects, and the return on investment had you invested in those projects. If you liked this video or if you benefited from it, consider sharing it. And subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it has a great value to us. Happy investing, people!